And Patta Skeng is here for mash up this week's Fiwi culture segment. Patta, what going, bro?
Yeah, my bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Aight, man.
You feel I'm ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, far.
Now Patta with the new dip, dancing sick. Lead by your mind like a jacket with a wig. Talk to me nice, don't make your mouth slip.
Patta.
Yeah.
Welcome to the program, my general. Jeez, I know how long we sit down, but understand, so you're busy still.
Yeah.
What going, bro? How the success?
Just there, I go and put in the work. You don't know it go. And I go and work never stop, you see it?
Yeah. And 7 years now in the game since you get the big break.
Yeah.
It really done for you more while to say, yo, I mean this 10 years ago and look what I'm there now.
Yeah, I swear. I said with it, man. And if you know, say, the work I'm put in, it a pay off, and we still not stop work. A greatness, is it?
Yeah, that is it. For the people who don't know, because I just give them a quick crash course, give them a little backstory. Zane, Patta Skeng, where did I grow up?
You know, I really grew up on Mullines Road. I'm really originate, but most of my dancing come from jungle. So jungle, I start the whole thing.
Yeah.
You get me? I say, a jungle, I get there. No, sir, right? Yeah, I can dance, but the confident, because you know, I miss a wacky place. That's
True.
You know, the history I got there, you get me?
And who you grew up with?
Me, I grew up with my mother. And you know, my father lived on the other side, said we so.
Yeah. Any siblings?
Yeah, man, I have a sister, man.
Yeah? How old is she now?
She have soon turn 19.
Soon turn 19.
Yeah.
Me and the youth, them super. The girl, them no man with waistline, I take them youth again.
But even at high school, you realize I get closer to a big man.
Yeah.
You didn't have any doubts for say, yo, you know, so I'm actually look like I'm gonna really need a work, you know. Or you just be 100% committed to the dancing.
Dancing, I swear, dancing. Because I just know say that gift I'm born with, I just know say it can really change my life. You see me? It's a thing where I just gifted away where a skanking. We just different from a start skank, it just bring joy to people, it just bring happiness.
Yeah.
So me believe in it.
Yeah.
And true, my mother is a type of person who always dance from them long time. I say it in the blood that way.
Yeah.
You see me?
What do you think was the biggest contribution to you getting the big break? Like, where you think put it over the edge to make sure say, yo, this was gonna be the time?
Alright. Me da build the dancing, but the dance me I build is like them friendly with me, just my friend them alone. But touch, I want to dance and I get friendly with the people, you get me? And that really that dance and make people know who is Patta Skeng.
Patta Skeng, the new dip, have a foot play to it. Foot play again, that's how you find the new dip. Shambhala.
What are some other dances that people may not know say Patta Skeng responsible
Dip,
for?
you see me? Me build dip, you see me? With Lali sing. It's not a normal dip, you see me? But we whole heap of dance out there, man. Whole heap of dance, you see me? Yeah, you see it. So I just choose a youth with us humble and easy and relax.
Silence it. Girl, them a ball for the rooftop trip. Heartbeat stop if you lip them slip.
And where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
You know, say, as some differently, me I pray this career on a bigger platform. Said we even with the music and them thing, they get me, I say. So I not really try to limit myself, as me I say, but a greatness, believe me.
That's it from us from Mullines Road. I'm your host, Naldo Addis, signing out of this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. But not ball, because we'll be back next week. Same time, same place. Take care.